When it comes to online business, my absolute favorite tool is Kajabi. There's just nothing like it because it hosts my entire business. And I've seen it work in so many people's online businesses. And right now, starting today, Kajabi is offering their biggest promotion ever. You can get 3 months of Kajabi for $99. This is a massive discount to get you started. And then after the 3 months, you just pay the regular rate. This gives you a running start for 3 months to get your business going, to get it up and running on Kajabi. And if you use my link, there are some really special bonuses in there for you as well. So in this video, I'm gonna walk through what you get for the 3 months, how to get going on Kajabi, and then what I'm gonna do to help you personally get started using Kajabi. So if you go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi, it's gonna pull up this page right here and you can get the 3 months of Kajabi for one payment of $99. Plus you're gonna get a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me. We'll talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, how to get the best possible start on the platform. You're gonna get my exclusive course, the Kajabi Accelerator, and you're gonna get my $25,000 course launch email template. So you click right there and it will take you to this page and you can get started right away. So start your business today, 3 months for $99. Creators from all walks of life are using Kajabi to fast track their path to success online. Everything you need to build a website, launch a product, send emails, make sales, collect payments, and more with just one payment of $99 for your first 3 months. So these creators became profitable on Kajabi faster than they could have imagined. So time management and work-life balance expert Anna Dearmom Kornick launched an online course within her first 3 months of Kajabi. That is not uncommon, and earned 2 times her initial investment. This person generated over $13,000 on Kajabi. This person did 3 mini courses, a membership, and a private community within the first 3 months. And then this person generated over $5,000 with her first online course during the first 3 months. That is amazing. Grow your business your way with Kajabi's full suite of easy-to-use tools. So Kajabi does it all. Kajabi does email marketing, landing pages, payment processor, your website, course hosting, membership site hosting. It does it all. It does everything. Even your podcast you can now host completely on Kajabi, which still distributes to all the different directories. Pretty awesome, pretty exciting, and I have something really cool to show you. So not only when you use my link, you get the 45-minute call with me. You get my awesome course, which is called the Kajabi Accelerator, which helps you get on the fast track to success on Kajabi. But you also can take advantage on these 3 months of my playlist called Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. So you're going to have a 90-day jumpstart on Kajabi at a very discounted rate. And at the same time, you can just walk through day by day all 90 of these videos. You can just do one a day and do exactly what I say to do, and you'll be well on your way. And if you're an overachiever, you can skip ahead and do 3 or 4 of these a day. But we walk through everything you need, from Kajabi pipelines to email marketing, to building your first mini course, to how to price your course, to how to hit $1,000 a month, to everything you could possibly need to know in the next 90 days, it's all here. So what you need to do is go ahead and jump into the Kajabi 3 months for $99. Go ahead and get into my course called the Kajabi Accelerator. It's totally free when you sign up using my link. And then start working your way through the 90-day list that I have on YouTube. And then schedule that 45-minute call with me. Let's chat. We'll talk about your business, talk about how to get started on Kajabi. I'm here to answer any questions you have and help you get success. I have seen so many people who have been sitting on the sidelines thinking about starting an online business. I was one of these people for a long time. I would dabble here and there. I would just dabble in different things. And one day I decided it's time to go all in. And I signed up for Kajabi, I built my first course, and I have not looked back. And I am excited to help you do the same. So go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi, click on that link, go ahead and get started with your 3 months for $99. And I can't wait to see what you do on Kajabi starting your online business.